Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Wib's Web. I'm Bill Jones. As Halloween is nearly upon us, I thought that this time I'd show you how to do a horror film effect. Oh yes. And what is this horror film effect, I hear you ask? It's this one.
Oh, hello, my love.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the genie of the table.
Genie of the table?
Uh-huh.
I thought genies lived in lamps.
Oh, you're going back a bit, aren't you? Yeah. The lamps, well, you can't get them for love and money these days, no. And the property prices are going through the roof, you know. Yeah, so we have to settle for less salubrious surroundings these days. Yeah, I myself have adopted this table. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, but on the plus side, I am authorised to grant you a wish.
A wish?
Yeah.
I thought genies always gave 3 wishes.
Oh, there you go, harking back to the old days again, yeah. No. This is the day of the credit squeeze now, love, yeah. I mean, we've got government cutbacks to contend with. It's only 1 wish per person these days. But, you know, you can have anything you want, providing it's 1 wish. And no wishing for more wishes, you naughty boy. Yeah.
Well, I have to clean this place every day by myself from top to bottom. I don't get any help with it. Would you be able to give me a hand?
Give you a hand? Of course I can, love. Now, wait a minute, oh yeah. There you go. Enjoy. Bye.
Oh yes. The severed hand. Now this is not a difficult effect to pull off as long as you've got 2 things. You will need a video editor that's capable of doing split screen, and you will need a photo editing program. I'm going to be using Paint Shop Pro. Now if you've got those 2 things, we're in business. Let's go. Before you begin, use a tripod and lock down your camera as any movements will spoil the effect. First, take a few second shots of whatever it is that the hand will be resting on. We will need this later. Now, introduce your hand and do a little hand acting. Make sure that the wrist remains absolutely static, as any wrist movement will ruin the effect. When you've finished, load the footage into your video editor. Run the video, pause it on the hand support and take a screenshot. Now switch to your photo editor and paste the screenshot in as a new image. Now switch back to your video editor and run the video until the hand comes into view. Pause the video again and take another screenshot. Switching again to your photo editor, paste the screenshot onto the first as a new layer. Now, using the eraser tool, erase the wrist, allowing the original layer, in this case the table, to show through. Already it's beginning to look like a severed hand. Now we need to simulate the chopped end of the wrist. I did this by doing a Google search for images of meat joints. I got this one from a butcher's site. Using the selector tool, select the image you are going to use and copy it. Now paste it onto the original image as a new selection. Using the selection positioning tool, adjust the selection size and position so it fits the end of your hand. And when you are happy with it, use the color adjustment tool to match the color to the rest of the image. When you are happy with the finished image, save it to your desktop. Fire up your video editor and open your newly created image. Above this, I am placing my split screen mask. As you can see, it is presently masking the bottom half of the hand, but it's the top half that needs to be masked for the effect to work. So I am going to rotate the mask. I will try to align the join with natural lines on the image, in this case the wood grain on the table. This will help to sell the effect to your viewer. And here is our original footage of the hand acting. So now we have our masked chopped hand, and here is our original footage of the hand acting. If we now introduce the footage on the other side of the split screen, we see that it magically melds into a severed hand. As Eric Morecambe might have said, you can't see the join. You are now the proud owner of a severed hand. So there you go, the severed hand effect. So if you like this tutorial and you'd like to see more tutorials along the same lines in some possible future date, I don't know when, then just subscribe on the subscribey thing. It's around here somewhere. I mean, you can see it, I can't. Look, it's got to be there somewhere. And I'd love to stay in chat, but my tea's ready. So, tea wins, sorry, bye.